The balance used to measure the mass of the Na₂SO₄ must have a certain minimum level of precision to ensure that the concentration can be known to 4 significant figures. If this minimum precision is expressed as plus or minus x mg, what is the value of x? Plus or minus 0.1 milligrams. 1 point is earned for correct answer. Describe how the student can best prepare 100.0 milliliters of 1.000 by 10 to the power negative 2 molar Na₂SO₄ after the appropriate mass of solid Na₂SO₄ has been measured. Circle each item used from the list and describe the essential steps. Circle 100 milliliters volumetric flask, distilled water, dropper. Mass of Na₂SO₄ is transferred to a 100 milliliters volumetric flask. Less than 100 milliliters of distilled water is added, and the flask is swirled until dissolved. Distilled water is then added until the meniscus reaches the calibration mark, the last few ml added with a dropper. 1 point is earned for selection of items. 1 point is earned for essential steps. The student is given 250 milliliters of a solution containing BaSO₄+, Ca2+, Pb2+, and Sr2+, each at 1.0 molar. In the first experiment, the student puts 10 milliliters of this solution in a test tube and adds 1.000 by 10 to the power negative 2 molar Na₂SO₄ 1 drop at a time. Given KSB, BaSO₄ equals 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 9. CaSO₄ equals 6.1 times 10 to the power negative 5. PbSO₄ equals 1.3 times 10 to the power negative 8. SrSO₄ equals 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 7. Which salt precipitates first? Justify. BaSO₄. The first to precipitate will be the salt whose KSB is first exceeded by the ion product M2+. SO₄2-, the salt with the smallest KSB. 1 point is earned for selection and explanation. In a second experiment, the student electrolyzes the BaSO₄+Ca2+/Pb2+/Sr2+ solution using 2 platinum electrodes connected to a DC voltage source. On increasing the voltage, 1 metal plates out on 1 electrode. On the diagram, circle the electrode on which the metal plates out. Justify your answer. Identify the metal that plates out. Justify your answer. Circle electrode on the right, negative/cathode. Electrons flow out of the negative pole. These electrons combine with the metal ion at the electrode into which they flow. M2+ plus 2E gives M. 1 point is earned for choice and justification. Pb. It has the most positive reduction potential, so its ion is the most easily reduced. 1 point is earned for selection. 1 point is earned for explanation.